Okay, let's see if I can fix my weld cart back up. We'll see. I should be doing this the other way because I'll probably make a short out of it. Okay guys, let's see if I can fix the welding cart back up. We'll see. I got new wheels. Straighten her up, see what we got. Okay, front wheels seem like they roll okay, the back ones not so much. Like I said, the kids ran over it with the wrecker up in St. Paul years ago. So, let me see what I can do. Well, I shot the bottom down with asphalt. Just because it was a rusty mess. Hit the hubs with PV blaster. And I got the screw out that side. Screw out that side. Apparently there's 2 more screws, so let me see what I got. Okay, got the other 2 screws out of the axles and shot that top down with asphalt. You know, just because. So let's see if I can get it apart the rest of the way. Alright, scrubbing on this side, got the wheels off. Let's see what I can do. Well guys, the new wheels didn't work. So, I had enough Rust-Oleum to frickin' paint the bottom, but I didn't have enough black to go over it. So I ended up cleaning up the original wheels. Ain't perfect. She's pretty straight. I didn't have to put braces in because that is a cart from like 2003, so it has real metal. I was able to pound it straight. So we'll get her flipped over and get the welder back on her. Well, it's not perfect, but it's better than what I had. So, alrighty guys.